The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Alan Watts. 8 Ways to Monetize Your Business with ChatGPT. AI-Powered Opportunities. Want to know how to leverage AI language models like ChatGPT to create a profitable business? In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful ways to monetize using ChatGPT. Hi, this is YouTube channel, Human Life at Here and Now, your go-to source for all things related to humanity and technology. If you're new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content just like this. 1. Subscription-based services. First, consider offering subscription-based services that grant users access to ChatGPT's features. This can include content creation, virtual assistants, or language translation services. 2. Pay-per-use services. Secondly, you can charge users based on their usage of ChatGPT's functionalities. This flexible model allows businesses to cater to clients with different needs and budgets. 3. White label solutions. Third, develop custom implementations of ChatGPT for other businesses. Create tailored solutions for specific industries or use cases, such as customer support chatbots or content curation. 4. AI-powered tools and plugins. Fourth, create standalone applications, browser extensions, or plugins that utilize ChatGPT. Offer users features like grammar checking, text summarization, or topic generation. 5. Online tutoring and education. Fifth, leverage ChatGPT to develop educational platforms offering personalized tutoring, language learning, or study assistance for students of all ages and levels. 6. Content generation and marketing. Sixth, offer content creation services using ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, or social media content for clients, helping businesses save time while maintaining quality output. 7. AI-driven market research and analysis. 7th, utilize ChatGPT for market research, sentiment analysis, or competitor analysis. These insights can help businesses make informed decisions and develop targeted strategies. 8. Custom AI training and consulting. Lastly, provide expertise and support to clients integrating ChatGPT into their business processes, including AI model training, infrastructure setup, and ongoing maintenance. If you found these monetization strategies interesting, be sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments which idea you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe for more informations. So there you have it. Those were 8 powerful ways to monetize your business using ChatGPT. Remember, as AI technology continues to evolve, new opportunities will emerge. Keep exploring and innovating. And we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to Human Life at Here and Now. Watch our other videos on humanity and technology. Be sure to follow us on social media for more updates and exclusive content. Thanks for watching.